How to make Amazon better? Success on Amazon means using great practices every single day. And in today's video, I'm going to give you Marisol Lake's top 3 tips of great practices for selling products on Amazon. Okay, so Marisol is a member of our client relations team. She's one of the people you speak with when you call us for help at 8779-SELLER. She responds to emails that you send to me at cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com. If you send me a text, Marisol might respond to it if I'm tied up. And here are Marisol's top 3 tips, top 3 great practices that I suggest every Amazon seller follow as much as possible. Number 1, invoices, invoices, and invoices. Make sure that when you're sourcing your products, not only are you getting great invoices that indicate that whoever you sourced your products from has an internet presence, that the address makes sense, but also save those documents. Make sure they are ready for you if you need them for a plan of action to send over to Amazon. Marisol Lake's second major tip, keep your own records of tracking numbers. I can't tell you how many sellers rely solely on the dashboard without ever saving their own data, their own information locally on their own computer. Make sure you're doing that, because if you get suspended, if you have a major problem with Amazon, you may not be able to sign on at all. And if you don't have the data, it makes our job getting you reinstated a lot harder. Tip number 3, most of you are doing this, and those of you who might be selling on Amazon as a side gig or a side business, you may not be doing this as often as you should. What is it? You have to make a habit of consistently watching your account health. At any issue that you have, if you have an IP complaint, get the complaint retracted before it becomes a problem. If your ODR rate is starting to climb, address it before you get suspended. So, Marisol, thank you very much for giving me these great tips for Amazon sellers. And if you want to learn more, you can go to AmazonSellersLawyer.com, and any issue you're having, I can guarantee you're going to find content. Inauthentic, you sold as new, high ODR rate, IP complaints. We have more information for Amazon sellers than any website on earth.